Hey there, struggling with a bad credit score? Filing for bankruptcy might actually surprise you with its benefits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bankruptcy sounds like the end of the world. But what if I told you it could be the fresh start your credit score desperately needs? Here's the deal. There are two main types of bankruptcy you can file, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is for folks with limited income and it quickly discharges most of your debts. Yes, some assets might be sold off, but it wipes the slate clean. Chapter 13, on the other hand, allows you to keep your assets while you repay your debts over time. It's for those with a steady income. Now don't get me wrong, bankruptcy will initially drop your credit score. But here's the kicker. It clears out old debts, stops those relentless collection calls, and reduces your financial stress. This gives you a golden opportunity to rebuild your credit from the ground up. Imagine this, you secure a new credit card, you pay your bills on time, and you stick to a budget. Over time, those consistent, positive actions will gradually improve your credit score. Of course, this isn't a walk in the park. The bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years. But with the right steps, you can show future lenders that you're serious about managing your finances. One more thing. Navigating bankruptcy can be complex. That's why seeking guidance from a bankruptcy lawyer is crucial. They'll help you make the best decisions based on your situation. In the end, filing for bankruptcy is not about failure. It's about taking control and giving yourself a fresh start. Take that step, regain control, and watch your financial health improve. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your finances.